I used to be so nervous in school and not really want to do anything. I never talked to anyone. I always wore a mask to school. And you want to know why I never cared about school or try to be myself, have some type of personality, try to find some type of way to enjoy school? You want to know why? Because for so many years of my life, bro, I just used to think, what is this one person that's gonna think about me if I do this, if I actually say this joke, if I, try to be myself? What is this one person gonna think of me when I do that? For years, that's what made me live a depressed life, live a life with regret and shame and just disgust, doing all the bad habits, playing video games, relapsing, all that stuff. I thought, oh, what is that one person gonna think about me? You know who that one person was? It was some one person that I didn't even care about. I never talked to. I never thought I would be friends with them. That's that one person that was holding me back. Someone I didn't even want in my life. People who I don't even care about. Controlling how I want to be to people that I do care about, to my friends, to my family, to my life. And I was treating them like they're my dad. Like if I do something the wrong way or leave them on the wrong foot or something like that, like I'm punished, I'm done. Like I can't do anything. I have to please them all the time. I have to, stay like this Muppet or something. Like what? That doesn't even make sense, bro. Why was I doing that for so many years? And honestly, bro, I think it's because of my ego. Because I used to think I was him. I was, this W Riz Master, Riz Lord and stuff, that I used to think everyone was thinking about me. Everyone was caring about me and stuff. But I just wish I heard this a few years ago. And by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy. I just like posting these videos because I wish I had a video like this, especially this one, bro. 1 or 2 years ago, maybe even a few months ago. And if you like the trees, you like the nice sunset, you like the vibe of this video so far, maybe consider subscribing because I post videos like these every day, and maybe you can get a thought in your mind like, oh, this guy, what he said is kind of right, like, because I don't have all the answers to life, but, I like sharing the things that I learned, and, maybe it could change the way you think about this. Maybe you can start doing this more, and then you'll actually live a better life because of me, which is honestly my dream. I hope this video can just kind of make you think and make you realize like, oh, maybe I shouldn't be living like this. Maybe I should try to do this more, and maybe your life will get better because of that, which I honestly think is amazing. Sorry, I'm just gonna make it like this so you can see the nice sun more, see the nice views, because you probably don't even care about me. You just want to see the nice sunset. So anyways, and that's completely fine, bro. I would probably be in the same boat as you. Like, I just want to see the nice sunset, bro. That's why I clicked on this video. I just want to see the nice. It's whatever, bro. Don't care about me. I'm sorry. Do you just want me to go? But don't worry, bro, because like everyone else thinks that they're that guy, While everyone else is caught up in all these thoughts about themselves, like nobody's thinking about you, bro. I realized this today too because as I was walking to sit here in public in the nice grass, all these cars passing down the road, they must think I'm weird. They must think I'm like some crazy person holding this tripod in my hand and stuff. The people who I do see in the mirror, like if they don't have tinted windows, they're wearing sunglasses, smoking a cigar or something, and just driving past, probably listening to some music on a phone with their boyfriend arguing or something like that. The perfect example I can give of this, bro, like honestly, the perfect example I can give, like nobody cares what you do, honestly, is that I was in class and it was dead quiet. It's so freaking boring, bro. It's English class. Everyone's quiet. The lights are off. Nobody's doing anything. The teacher hasn't been here for 5 days. It's another substitute. So I'm just in that class, right? Bored as poop. And then I realize I can literally do anything and nobody would care. I look around the whole class and everyone is on their phones. Everyone has some AirPods in or is watching some movie or something. Like nobody cares. Nobody cares about what I do. I can literally pull my pants out, go naked, and one person would be like this. Like nobody would see anything. Honestly, bro, I'm gonna do that next time I go to school. I'm gonna film myself naked. I knew if I stood up, nobody would react. And it's so crazy too, because I would be so scared to ask the teacher to use the bathroom because like, oh, this one person might think I'm weird for using the bathroom. Like just crazy things like that. I would literally rather piss myself in my chair than go to the bathroom. Or sharpening my pencil, or standing up to throw this one thing away in the trash. It's honestly just such a freeing outlook to have on life, like just realizing nobody cares. And the best part about this is, I really don't want to say this in like a mean way or something, but what I learned from realizing nobody really cares about me is that when you let go of this, you're automatically better than so many people because everyone else thinks that other people care about them. A lot of other people probably think it's weird to ask the teacher to go to the bathroom or something, charge their device or something, stand up in front of class. They can't do those simple things. So then they're definitely not going to do the hard things. They're definitely not going to try to start some business. They're not definitely trying to steal your girl or something. So you'll be ahead of tons of people if you do this, bro. Especially the people who play video games, bro. And I even made a video about why I quit playing video games forever, which you can check in the link in the description, bro. Just if you play video games, if you're like kind of on and off with it, bro, just watch it for five minutes, bro. Please, just 5 minutes. See if you kind of see what I'm saying, and then just watch it for the whole video. Because I honestly wish I had a video like that 2 years ago, 1 year ago, when I was just spending so much time and energy invested into all of those things. Which, speaking of, when I was playing video games, I used to think I was him. Like, I could quick scope people. I could, like, crank 90s and stuff. And then when anybody, like, I would see as kind of a threat or, like, challenge me, I would just completely snap. I would completely fold. And then for the rest of my life, I would be worried about what they would be thinking of me. So destroy your ego, bro. So what? Like, so what? Even if they do care about you, even if they do think about you, bro. Like, it's probably not even the people you care about. So there's no point in trying to let them influence, let them dictate the way you live your life. Don't be scared of people, like, even if they're bigger, even if they're more intimidating. It doesn't even freaking matter, bro. Everyone poops and pees. Everyone was born the same way. Everyone has problems. Everyone has things they cry about. Everyone cries. Everyone, has moments in their life where they're not the best. Just try not to be as scared. Try not to let other people that you probably don't even care about influence your life. So I just wish I had a video like this. I hope you found this video somewhat helpful or interesting. Join the like-minded club in the link in the description. I would point with my finger like that, but my hands are freezing. If you can't tell, I'm sniffing because there's snot, nose runny. But yeah, just stop worrying about these things. Be yourself more, and you'll enjoy your life more. Because when you be yourself, you're being yourself, so you're more happier, and then you're more happier, and then your life is better, and then it's easier to do the good things. It's easier to do the good habits and stuff. So yeah, hope you love this video. Hope you found something valuable from it, and I'll see you later, bro. Take care. Peace. Let's go. Let's go. We freaking got this, bro. Peace, bro. Take care.